how to get Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get your Prime membership in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get Prime membership in Amazon, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon app, but inside the Amazon app we will not find the option. So instead what we will do is we can open our browser and go to this address bar that is called amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below if this sounds confusing for you. Now once you're on the website, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your free Amazon account. Then after you've done that, you'll find the option over here known as Try Prime. So all you have to do now is just make sure to tap on this Prime option. Now as and when you tap on the Prime option here, it'll give you a couple of other details about what Prime really is and what are the benefits you get from it. Regardless of that, scroll down, you'll find Amazon gift card balance, so you can just enter your payment method here. Once you basically enter your payment method such as a credit or debit card or your Venmo account or your gift card, you can just tap on the continue option and then your account will get successfully purchased. This way you'll be able to get Prime membership in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.